Hello and welcome to New Parenting Training. So today I got a toy box from KiwiCo. So I've been listening to a lot of podcasts and they always on their advertisement. So I kind of jump ship and just get the subscription box from them. Now, of course, it will be much cheaper if you purchase the entire year, the annual subscription. But after I'm done unboxing, I'll show you how to save even more on top of the annual subscription. So yeah, you can have multiple ways of getting cheaper deals on this KiwiCo. So today I got the Koala crate, and this is called a Jungle Fun. So here we go. All right. Let's unbox this. So our kid is over 2 years old, and this crate is customized for 2-year-old and up. So here we have. All right, once you open it up, so what you see inside is kind of like this. We have some booklets. Discover Jungle Fun. Let's see, more Jungle Fun for the grown-up assistant. Okay. More detailed instruction on how to play with the toys. Oh, a little book. Okay, this is cool. Their own book. So if you buy it separately, it costs what? $6.95 US and then $8.95 Canadian. Now, the toys, more parts. So this is the jungle theme, and all this will be like trees and stuff. So cards. Ooh. Have a bag to hold all this, and yeah, that's it. So empty now. That's it. All right. So let me go check this out. And if you are new to our channel, please click the like button and also subscribe if you haven't already done so. Now, let me show you how to save even more. Besides just paying the annual subscription and save on your free shipping, you can actually save even more on top of that. Alright, so this video is not sponsored by KiwiCo, although it's not sponsored by them, but I do have a referral code for anyone who sign up for KiwiCo and get $10 off their first purchase. So this is one of the way that you can save more is use the referral code. I'll put the code down in the description below so you can go check it out. Now, another way that you can save is by having an extension that install onto your browser. Now, I have Rakuten, I have Honey, and I also have the American Advantage. Now, what I have found that all three of them has some sort of either discount or cashback. The one that gives you the most is Rakuten with a 7.5% cashback. Now for Rakuten, I'll also put the referral code down in the description. So if you use it, you will actually get a $30 cashback when you first sign up. Yeah, it's a great way to save more if you shop a lot online to use Rakuten. Now, Honey, on the other hand, it doesn't give all that much. It's 1% to 3%. So it's quite low compared to Rakuten. And the American Advantage, this one gives you airline miles. Now, for this one, you get 7 miles per dollar that you spend. The cashback system is a little bit better than the getting miles, especially for those of you that doesn't fly. If you do fly, then maybe American Advantage is a better deal. All right, so let's talk about the playtime with these toys. Personally, I really like how the KiwiCo has set up the whole entire set. So everything is kind of tied into the other stuff. First thing you have the tree stacker. So it's just like any other stacking toys. There's no right or wrong way to go about with it. You have a base, and then you have the branches, layers, you have the trunk pieces. So what you need to do is just kind of stacking everything up using the provided tools. Along the way, you can guide your kid, tell them where the pieces go and how you can stack them. Especially when it comes to the branch layers. Now it has a lot of openings, but there's only one opening that's big enough or wide enough for you to put the layer onto the base itself. It's a great time to teach your kid how to discover what can go into where. So to step it up, aside from just the tree stackers, you have the jungle ferns game, which this is quite unique. So they provide you with a bag and then a bunch of leaf stickers. You can decorate the bag a little bit. You can rearrange the leaves after you put on there. Even though it's with a double-sided tape, you can actually take it off and then rearrange to a different spot on the bag. So once the bag has been decorated, you can put all the game cards in there. The game card has two sides. Now one side has the character on there, and the other side has numbers, so 1, 2, and 3. The yellow card is the koala, and then you have the green card, that's the crocodile, and also you have the toucan on there as well. So the red one is a toucan. Now what you can do now is to put all the cards inside the bag and mix it up. And every time you pull out a card, you look for the character associated with that card and look behind and see what the number is. If it's a 1, you take out 1 of the character and put on top of the tree. If it's 2, you take 2 of that character and put on top of the tree. So not only you get to kind of have the kid to kind of play along to see where they can put the character onto the tree, but at the same time they can kind of learn numbers as well. So it's pretty engaging. Now once you're done with the game, because there's a bag, you can put everything inside the bag and then store it that way. So it's easy for you to store it. So the way I see it is very user friendly, not only for the kid but also for parents, because you can also teach the kid to put everything back once you are done with it, right? And lastly is the book. The book is also geared toward all the characters that they provide you as well. So it's a jungle adventure between 3 animals, the koala, the crocodile, and the toucan. Now, you can read the book to your kid while you are playing this game that way. And because all the storyline, the characters are associated with the game itself, so it becomes very engaging. So the kid has a sense of continuity to the game itself. So it's very engaging. Now, I personally really like how this crate is being set up. And as you can see from the video, my kid is really engaged while he was playing with this game. Not only that, I can teach him about the spatial concept, about different items, how they can go together, and read him a book while I'm at it, and also teach him a simple numbers while I'm playing games with the kid. So this is the first crate that we got from KiwiCo, and it's our first month. And for the following month, we're gonna get another one. So by then, we're gonna review that one as well. So anyway, stay tuned. Until next time, bye.